If you're looking for a medically guided weight loss program, Embody's GLP-1 program is definitely worth considering. Instead of simply selling supplements, Embody connects eligible patients with licensed clinicians who determine whether GLP-1 treatment is appropriate. The program includes ongoing support and home delivery of medication, making the process convenient for many users. GLP-1 medications work by helping reduce appetite, increasing feelings of fullness, and supporting healthy weight loss when combined with proper nutrition and exercise. These medications have much stronger clinical evidence than over the counter products that only claim to boost GLP-1 naturally. Overall, Embody offers an accessible and well structured option for people who qualify for prescription GLP-1 therapy. Just remember that results vary from person to person, and the best outcomes come from combining medication with healthy lifestyle habits under the guidance of a healthcare professional.